Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online. First, let's set you up for success. Find a quiet, dedicated space at home where you can focus without distractions. Establish a consistent daily schedule, perhaps studying for 2 hours, then taking a 15-minute break. Make sure your internet connection is strong and have all your notebooks and pens ready before you begin. This preparation is key for effective online learning. Now, let's talk about engaging with your course material. Don't just passively watch, actively participate in online discussions and forums. Take detailed notes during virtual lectures, even if recordings are available. Break down big assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks. For example, dedicate 30 minutes to one part. Review your notes for about 20 minutes each day to reinforce learning. Effective time management and self-care are crucial. Use a planner to track all your deadlines and study sessions. Schedule short, 5-minute breaks every hour to avoid burnout. Remember to prioritize 8 hours of sleep and nutritious meals to keep your energy levels high. Connecting with classmates for group study or support can also make a big difference in your learning journey. Finally, let's discuss staying motivated and knowing when to seek help. Set small, achievable goals like completing 1 chapter today. Reward yourself for reaching these milestones, perhaps with a short walk. If you have questions, don't hesitate to email your instructors or attend virtual office hours. Also, explore the many online resources, like tutorials and study guides, available to support your learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.